Concrete speakers. They spark some strong opinions, but today I'm going to bust 7 myths I hear all the time. So today, no deep tech, just some clear, practical takeaways. Welcome to Timber West Design, where creative ideas are built to bring beauty and purpose to your space. Myth number 1. Concrete rings like a bell. Any speaker enclosure can sing if it's thin and flat. I avoid that by using curves and thicker walls where it really counts. The goal is simple. The driver makes the sound, the cabinet stays quiet. When I add gentle curves and a little extra thickness on my speaker builds, the cabinet feels dead when you tap it with your knuckle, and the music sounds really nice and clear. And the verdict? Good design beats material stereotypes. Myth number 2. They're too heavy to live with. Yes, concrete adds weight, but that can be also a feature. They stay put, they don't tip over when you brush past, and the stands don't buzz. Here's a practical tip. Add some felt pads or some rubber feet and then just set them once and treat them like stone furniture. The verdict? Heavy doesn't mean it's hard to live with. It just means it's stable. Myth number 3. You can't build accurately with concrete. So depending on how you mold it, this could be true. But with precision molds, all the driver holes in alignment, they're all designed in. We're not just freehanding wet cement. One mistake to avoid: don't rush the demold. Give the part time to cure before pulling it from the molds. And the verdict? Accuracy comes from the CAD and the mold design, not the wet cement. Myth number 4. You can't get a clean finish with concrete. The assumption is concrete has to look rough, but the reality is you can either go industrial or you can go glossy smooth. It's all in the prep before you paint. With enough primer and spot putty, you can really prep for a mirror-like finish. Or if you like to use textured paint, the primer prep doesn't need to be quite as fussy. But of course, if you want to go with a raw industrial concrete look, you can do that as well. The verdict? Concrete can be sleek. It's just a finishing choice. Quality sleep is the foundation of our health. It influences how we think, feel, and perform. When we sleep well, we enjoy more energy and focus, stronger immune system, improved mood and mental clarity, greater resilience to stress. Imagine sleeping like a baby every night. Think what your life would be like if you could sleep deeper, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling fully refreshed and rejuvenated every day. With Newcom's proven sleep protocol, you can enjoy the best sleep of your life with ease. Myth number 5. Concrete will break. Any speaker can get damaged if you drop it or drop something on it, but concrete speakers, they handle a lot. But of course, if you bash it with a sledgehammer, it's going to break. But under normal use, concrete speakers are a solid choice. The verdict? In normal use, concrete speakers are a solid, long-lasting choice. Myth number 6. You can't ship them safely. Plenty of high-end speakers ship at the 50 to 100 pound weight range. It's not really magic, it's more the packing system. A double wall box, corner blocks, and zero movement inside. Weight isn't really the enemy, it's momentum inside the box. Stop the slide and the heavy cabinets travel just fine. And the verdict? Ship the packing system, not just the speaker. Myth number 7. Concrete sounds dull and lifeless. Here's a misunderstanding I hear a lot. People expect the cabinet to add tone, but in reality, a good cabinet does nothing on purpose. A cabinet's job is to stay out of the way. If the drivers and crossovers are well chosen, a quiet cabinet lets you hear them, not the box. The verdict? Inert material isn't dull, it's honest. There are 3 main things on a well-designed speaker. 1, you want drivers that fit the goal and size. 2, you want a crossover that blends them well. And 3, you want a cabinet that doesn't talk back. Concrete helps with number 3, and the shapes you can make, well, they're a design bonus. Concrete speakers work well when you use the material well. Curves instead of flat panels, molds for repeatability, patient curing, and careful handling. Do that and you will have great results. You can get the mold files on all my previous projects at timberwestdesign.com. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next week.